back to another video on Android development. In the previous video we have successfully added the data to the Firebase. Here you can see here is the node my data, and we have added the hello world data on the Firebase. Now in this video we will add new button, and when we click on that button we will fetch the data, or you can say read the data from Firebase. So let's create it. So go to the activity main.xml, and here we will add new button. So just copy this button and paste below. Now change this button text to read, and now change the ID. Let's say I type it btn read. Now it is below of btn, and now add a text view. So match parent wrap content and give the text. Let's say I type nothing to show, and give the ID. Let's say I give the text view. And it is below of btn read. Okay, now close the tag and go to the main activity and initialize it. So private button btn read and private text view. Let's say I type it text view. Now initialize it in onCreate method. So duplicate line to change it btn read, and again for btn read. Okay, now again for text view, and select the text view, and again text view. Okay, now we will set a click listener on this btn read. So here we can say btn read dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, now here we will read the data. So first I want to show this is actually our node. So we have already defined the reference of this node. Here you can see my data root database reference. So by using this reference we can get the data from that root. So root data reference dot add value even. There are three methods to fetch the data: add value even listener, add listener for single value, add child even listener. We will explain one by one. Add value even listener. It will fetch the data from the database, and when we will update data on this node, let's say I change it hello world to hello, it will automatically send the data to this text view. When I using the second one, let me show you. When we use add listener for single value, it means it will fetch the data only one time. When we update the data on the Firebase, it will not automatically fetch the data. And the last one is add child even listener. It will automatically fetch the data on this available child that is present anywhere. So we will use add value even listener in this video. So new value even listener. Now first put a semicolon here. So best practice here, we have to check either data is available or not. So we can say data snapshot dot exist, mean that our root is available on this database or not. This root is available on the database or not. So that's why we will check. If our database is not available and we will not check this condition, our application will crash. So if our data snapshot is available, mean our data snapshot is exist, then we will get the data. So create the variable string. Let's say I type data and data snapshot dot get value and put a semicolon here. Now we have to convert it to string. Okay, Now we will set their data to text view. So text view dot set text, and here we will pass the data. Okay, now run the application. Okay, our application successfully running. Now go to the database and open application. Let's say I type something here. And click on send. Now I click on the read. Here you can see my new data, if you can see here. Let's say I change, let me change it to hello world. And press the enter. Here you can see our data is automatically changed. So this is the benefit of the add value event listener. So if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section, and please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.